Today's post notification shout out goes out to A Cup of Tea. Make sure to go over our channel and subscribe, commenting at the comment section, and make sure you know say they keep sending. Make sure to go over our Instagram at T_LOL_. If you clicked on this video, you must be wondering how you can gain more followers on Instagram. So you are in luck today because I will be sharing with you a few steps I took in order to get 1,000 followers in the period of 1 month. Yes, 1 month seems long, but it was worth it. So before we start this, I want y'all to go over my Instagram and follow me. Here it is over here. It's DEKIBOO_87_, and that's the same for my TikTok. I will follow back. As you can see, I follow back all my followers. So let's get into the video. So the first step you must take is to be active. Be active. Being active means you have to post regularly, be online and so forth, engage with your followers, and just be active. If you want the followers, you better be active. Second, you should follow people back. Follow people. Look at some under the bottom, like when you see your likes and everything, you go straight to the bottom, then you're gonna see new to Instagram. You can follow those persons because them new to Instagram, they can follow you back and everything. Some people don't follow back people, but for me, I believe I should follow all my followers. I follow all of my followers unless it's a case where I can follow you. Yeah, but I follow all my followers. Now, the next thing is engage with your followers. Like, you can post on your stories and so forth, ask questions and everything, post and think. And when you're posting, make a caption below. Like, if you're gonna post something, I'm feeling down, or success is this, or just make a caption for your post and so forth. Engage, as I said, engage with your followers, make them know say yeah, we are one, yeah, and thing. Next thing is you must share your profile. You're not gonna expect people to promote you. People be DMing me asking me to promote them, like for put up them channel, sorry, I'm talking about Instagram right now, to put up their profile and thing. Yeah, but you yourself have to be sharing your profile. Like, if you're on Facebook, I realize that I have like 10 active friends, you can share it to them. If they're on Instagram, they can also follow you on Instagram. So make sure say you share your thing, share to your neighbors, your family, your friends, everybody. Yeah, you give the best promotion for yourself. That may I tell you. Next thing, support others. Don't just be like, you follow me, I won't follow you back. If I don't want to follow you, that's just me. Follow people back. Follow them back. Yes, follow back. It's not gonna hurt. We're all humans. Next thing, you have to post. As I said before, you have to post. Some people, they don't put up any picture. People not gonna want to say that. When people don't put up picture, they might say, who are you? Who are you? I don't know. Why should I follow you and I don't see any picture? That sometimes it look creepy. Like, why don't you post pictures? Another thing you can do when you're posting, creating your post, you can put hashtags in which, like, the hashtags other people use, and then we can able to find you and everything. And the last but not least is they can like support for support. If you support me, if you post me post you. Say post me, post this, and I'll post you, I'll promote you and so forth. That's just my few advice to you on getting 1K followers. 1K, yes, 1K followers. If you're new Instagrammer, go over my Instagram. Alifin and go and go follow me, and I'll follow you, of course. And I hope this was helpful for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like, leave a comment, yeah, and share. Thank you for watching.